Over the past few weeks, we've been pushing the limits of the new LT5 engine. Maybe you've seen the videos. We make a change and we run it. We make a change and we run it, so we document everything that happens with the engine. We know what's going on with the engine, we know what's going on with the cell, and we use that for further development. We use the stock bottom end, stock camshaft, and we use a supercharger for the first application. Then we bolted on the Katech Xtreme DI fuel system. With that package and E85 fuel, we produced over 1,000 foot-pounds of torque and over 1,000 horsepower. Then we took the supercharger off, we pulled the heads, took them over to our CNC shop, and we ran our Katech Gen 5 LT ported program. We put on a Hellion bolt-on kit, which included 2 precision turbos. We also used Turbosmart's boost controller and wastegate. With that combination, we hit 1,300 horsepower, pretty much kissing 1,100 foot-pounds of torque. Then we decided to hit it with C16 race gas. We got 1,486 horsepower and 1,284 foot-pounds of torque. That's where we decided to shut her down. We caught this engine moments before it birthed parts all over our dyno cell. This is after dozens of power pulls, north of 30 pounds of boost, north of 1,200 horsepower, well over 1,000 foot-pounds of torque. But we're not done yet. An important takeaway here is that we're not out here chasing horsepower numbers just for social media for likes and clicks. We're creating products with usable power where our customers need it the most. High torque throughout the RPM band. So stay tuned for more developments with the LT5 as well as many other applications we got cooking. You're gonna love it.